guys, this is Adrian Zumbado, and thank you for watching this video. And if you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel, because I will have more videos about GotBackUp coming. So first of all, this video, which is going to give you a little tour of the back office. The back office, it is where you take care of all the business, all the records, all your customers, and it's something that they give you once you sign up as a reseller. So basically, you're gonna have a members login area like this, and usually the username that you chose and your password, and you log in, which is usually the same one that you use when you have the app on the phone as well. So once you get here, a lot of this area that's cool about this back office, they have videos that gives you a little rundown of each individual area that you're in. So once you're here, I just want you to give a quick tour guide so you can understand what's going on. So for starters, let's hear. This is the welcome, here, and then here show you when's your next bill, billing information. And here you go to dashboard, promotional tools, and the compensation plan overview. You can watch the other videos in every little place that you drop. You drop here. First thing we go is use this tool. When you go to use this tool, it's going to bring you to this area. This area is going to show you how much space you have used of your 6 terabytes. Here you can add additional members. So if you want somebody else to also be able to use this, they'll have their own account. You can go here and add a new member. Just fill in the information. Also here, in case you want to download the apps for either your phone or for the computer, and here it gives you watch installation videos. So there's videos on how to do it. So this is something you can also use on your computer, not only on your phone. When you go to auto login, this is going to bring you to this page, which is now basically your cloud. Here in your cloud, you see all your mobile backups, so all your files as well. If you have any other files, like this one I use a lot because I'll grab stuff from my computer and just upload it here and then download it into my phone so I can share it on social media from my phone. But there's so many things that you can do. So yeah, here's your cloud. Let's go back to this page, and you just go to auto login. It's going to take you to your cloud. Now you can also just download. I haven't downloaded the actual app into my computer, so this the only way I've been using it is this way, which you can also upload files this way as well. Let me show you here. So from this one, I'll just go to upload and look for a file, and I upload it here, and then it'll be on my phone. So that's basically the service that you're paying for. You know what I mean? So let's go back, use this tool. Now, here are the web pages for your business. So basically, these are all the links for you to get the credit for the web pages that they have built. So for example, this one brings me to just the service. Then this one is kind of like for the opportunity for people to get into it, and you have your own link attached to it so you can get the credit for it. And it's just all the many ones that they provide. This one here is a free trial, which if you guys contact me on WhatsApp, I will send you guys a free trial so you can try it for 7 days, no commitment at all. At the description of this video, just hit the link and hit me up on WhatsApp. And here we have it in French, Italian, Spanish. Eventually in the future, they're going to have it in different languages. But since English and Spanish are my languages, these are the problem ones that I will use mostly. So you have it the same way, only you have it in Spanish with a video in Spanish. Okay? So you have different languages as well. You understand? Because this is a worldwide business and people all over the world can connect to this. Here, let's see. So extra promo tools is just things that you can use on your social media. Have it in different languages. Or if you're gonna do prints, you can do prints as well. Maybe like, let's see here, you can do these prints like flyers to pass out, or little pamphlets to show people about the business. You can use these also. You know, they have different ones, different languages. They have training videos. Right now, it's a one in Spanish. So now another thing is, it brings you with a lead capture system. If you guys don't know what a lead capture system is, it is it's a system that is going to send emails out for you guys. Now you get all this for $10 a month, which is amazing. Let me show you something, guys. If I go to get response, this is a software that does the same thing that you're getting here, okay? But I just want to show you the pricing of this. See, $15 a month, $48 a month, $56, depending on how much you feel. You're already getting it here for $10 a month. You can create a campaign. Here's going to tell you how many people. Of course, this stuff is basically based on this business. Unlike Get Response, where you probably have a different business, you could use it for that. But this is just a lead capture system that you can send out emails to all your leads and make it your own. You know, the company's still gonna do also follow-up emails, but you also have a lead capturing system here. Now, under my business, you're gonna have where it shows you your commissions, commission payments. This is when you sell. It's gonna show you the numbers of how much you sold, how much you've been making, who's in there, your downline when you enroll people, direct affiliate links, live webinars. So we do webinars weekly, so you're always going to be able to contact somebody and hear the business meetings that you see here. You can also go to a leadership board. The leadership board tells you every time's updated for everything. Okay, there's a one that shows you, there you go, leaderboard. I guess I was in the wrong one. Leaderboard tells you all the ranks, and it shows you all the people monthly commissions earned, who's been doing the most monthly, all-time commissions earned, weekly leads generated, weekly sales generated. So these are the top, right now providers for GotBackUp. The people are doing the most work, and yeah, it's a cool back office. Here's where you, like I said, you get to see your payout history, your commissions, commissions, payment options, overview. Now, the way they pay out is by you having either a Wise account or what's the other one? Pay-per-click, something like that. No, not pay-per-click. There's another. This shows you. You also gotta fill out a 1099 if you're in the United States, because that's for IRS and tax purposes. The internal wallet is here. I'm not really sure what this does, to be honest with you. I guess you can have some money here, either to pay your monthly, membership, or you can also purchase somebody's account if you like. Merchandise, of course, we have a website that's going to bring you here. You can have mugs, shirts, depending how you want to take your business. Then we have frequently asked questions, for the questions that are most frequently asked about the business. Marketplace. This is so you can buy other services that they provide as well, if that's what you want. VIP access is a bigger something you have to upgrade to get, and it gives you more things that you can use. This is something that they're going to offer you once you first sign in. You can decline all these offers unless it's something that you seem that you like to have. But if you decline it and you decide to have it later, that's where you go. And of course, you can join social groups like Telegram, Facebook. And yeah, this is basically a rundown of the business, how everything works. So once again, you use the tool here, which is what you bought, the service. This is how you see how much memory you have used up. So far I used up 60 gigabytes. And you can add people, download the apps for either your computer or your phone. My business, it shows you all the commission payments, and everybody's got in there. Webinar replays, these are the old webinars. So you can come here and look up the old webinars. Let's see where it goes. I think it takes me to YouTube. Yeah, it takes me to the YouTube page. And on the YouTube page, you can see they have a lot of webinars that you can even look into. And it's just about people doing the business as well and how it works for them. So yeah, this is a quick tour of the back office. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much. We'll see you again.